Introducing the 2022 Skoda Kodiaq Sportline 2.0 TDI 105 bhp DSG 7-seater in sleek black. This powerful SUV is packed with features to enhance your driving experience. From cruise control to heated seats, electric sunroof to ambient lighting, this vehicle offers comfort and convenience. Safety is a top priority with auto handbrake, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The Sportline model also boasts stylish 19 alloys, privacy glass, roof rails, and more. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. Interested in owning this impressive Skoda Kodiaq? Call us today or visit our website, spiritskoda.ie, for more information. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to drive in style and safety.